May I come in, sir?
Yes, yes, coming. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Please give me your resume.
Okay, sir. This is my resume.
Okay. As I can see, your name is Mehak. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mehak. Tell me about yourself.
Sir, my name is Mehak Kumari, and now I am pursuing class 10. Sir, I want to become an air hostess because it's my childhood dream, and it's not my dream, it's my
Okay.
life.
You become a air hostess because it's your life. Okay. Mehak, what is the meaning of your name?
Sir, the meaning of my name is fragrance.
Fragrance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And anything else?
No, sir.
Okay, smell. Like a smell. Okay, okay. You want to become a air hostess? There is many special reason behind it or not?
Yes, sir.
What?
Sir, I love to explore the world. I love to explore the places.
Okay.
And this career gave me an opportunity to serve the passengers. And also, beside
Okay.
this, I also explore the world.
You want to explore the world. This is your dream?
No, sir.
Or
This career gave me opportunity
okay.
to serve the passengers. And beside this,
That's why you choose this field.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because you want to explore the world. Okay. That's the reason behind it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mehak, tell me one thing. Why should we hire you in our company? You have any special thing in you or not?
Sir, I can deal with any situation.
Okay.
So you can hire me in your company.
Like?
Like in any case, if any passenger get panicked, then
Okay.
I
You
can
can
deal with
handle it. Okay.
situations.
Okay. So tell me, Mehak, may I know about your family?
Sir, there are 5 members in my family,
Okay.
including me.
Mm-hmm.
My father name is Ram Kumar.
Okay.
He is a service engineer, and my mother name is Renu. She is a housemaker, and
Okay.
I have 2 siblings,
2 siblings, 3 siblings.
including me. There are
Okay.
3 siblings, 2 brothers.
Okay.
For one of them is studying class 6,
Okay.
and
Okay.
the other one is study in class 2nd.
Okay. Oh, okay, Mehak, what attract you to be an air hostess?
Sir, the life of a cabin crew is also happyful, and besides it, it's also an hardworking job.
Okay.
Because the cabin crew operate in the night and in the morning. Every time they call the cabin crew, it's your operating time. So it's very hardworking job, and I love to hard work. That's why I also choose this field.
Oh, very nice. Mehak, tell me, do you know about the Indigo? Something, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is the individual Asian Airlines,
Okay.
and one of the largest in the world in terms of carrying passengers, more than 100 million passengers,
Okay.
which is carried in 2023. And also Indigo flies 60 plus international destination,
Oh, very nice.
and 30 plus direct flights, and also 30 plus overseas through Europe
Okay.
and USA.
Okay, Mac, I give you a situation. Okay, situation is that when flight take off, okay, someone is scared, and he's really scared, and he says, I'm very afraid. I'm so afraid. Please stop it. Please stop it. How would you deal this situation?
Sir, first of all, I say the passengers to calm down.
Okay.
Don't be nervous.
Okay.
It's happens in almost every situation in any operating aircraft.
Okay.
Then I say that if you are not comfortable, so let me know. We will land the aircraft if you are not feel safe,
Very
and
nice.
then it gives them a sense of control.
Okay. Second thing. Okay. I give you one more situation. Uh, See here, okay. There is girl, okay, and there is boy. Both are sitting each other near each other. So girl is not comfortable because she is being molested, she is being abused, and she is being irritated by this boy. So how would you deal this situation?
Sir, first of all, I told the boy that don't be abusing in the aircraft because it is not, it is against our policy. And if he is not, if he is not convinced,
Okay.
then we inform in the Indigo Airlines that in
You
the
inform Indigo Lines Airlines.
yes sir,
Why?
because um,
You have a staff, you can help any other person. So let him. There is many companies in our country, in our India. Okay, why did you think about this company?
sir, there are 39 airlines which is operating in India. I
Okay.
choose Indigo Airlines because
Hmm.
I passionate about the aviation industry and
Okay.
I admire the Indigo's commitments and exceptional service and punctuality.
Very nice. Okay, Mehak, as you know very well, this job is not long lasting job. As you know very well, this job is only 15 or 14 years. Okay, after 15 and 14 years, what will you do? You have any plan?
Sir, after 14 and 15 years, when this job is not mine,
Okay.
then I can do any job with my graduation, with
So
the help of
you
my
will have to
graduation.
any job, join any job. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one more thing. Is there any? Is there someone in your life who has inspired you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, my auntie is my inspiration because she is also an air hostess, and I know how hardworking is she and how punctuality about her job. So she gave me inspiration to become an air hostess.
Do you have any strength and any weakness?
Sir, my strength is my family,
Okay.
and weakness is my weakness is I am very emotional, and
Okay.
someone is a advantage to being an
Do you think
emotional.
emotions is a weakness? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I hired you, what will be your reaction? What will be your parents' reaction? Tell me about them reaction and your reaction.
Sir, if
And
I
tell me, who will be most happiest person in your life?
Sir, if I become an air hostess, then I am very happy because I do very hard work to achieve this job,
Okay.
and also my parents is also happy because they do hard work to pursue my goal,
Okay.
and one of the happiest person in my life is my father because they do 12 hours, they do 12-hour work in our in his company,
Okay.
and gave me money to job to join this job, to complete my graduation, to complete this air hostess course.
Okay. Uh, as you know very well, communication is the most thing in air hostess job. So, what is the meaning of communication? What do you think about the communication?
Sir, in a cabin crew, one of the most thing is effective communication skill. And if in a cabin crew there is no effective communication skill, then she will be fired because one of the important thing in a cabin crew job is effective communication skill.
Hmm. Okay.